Can you say hi, Dakota? Dakota! Let him get out. Come here, Dakota. Come on.
He's gonna break his leg doing that. I ain't good.
Baby stuck in chair.
3-point turn. No, you won't fit under that ball, mate.
No.
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 Yes.
Hey. No.
Yes, yes, yes,
Is
yes. Yes.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. 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 Yes.
At
Yes.
this point, we're not quite sure what they're arguing about.
Yes.
But apparently the answer is yes from my
Yes.
brother and no from
Yes.
Dakota.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Okay, now.
What are they arguing
No.
about?
No.
No.
Wave at the camera.
No.
No, 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 no.
No.
No, 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 no.
Oh, I can only see
No,
Chad.
no, 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 no.
I've lost him. There he is. I think he's tired. Where'd he go?
No. No.
He just slapped you.
Go on.
I really do. I think he's tired.
Ow!
Dakota, are you tired?
No.
No?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Stop beating him.
Hey, Dakota, come back. Rah!
No. No.
Hey, Dakota, come here. Can you say bye, Dakota?